Understanding M&A Advisory. Hello, and welcome to our language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of business English, specifically the phrase M&A Advisory. If you're keen on business, finance, or just want to understand what this term means, you're in the right place. M&A stands for mergers and acquisitions. It's a big part of the corporate financial world. When one company decides to merge with another or acquire another, there's a lot that goes into the process. From evaluating the worth of a company to the intricate details of the deal, that's where M&A Advisory comes in. An M&A advisor is a specialist who advises companies on buying, selling, or merging with other companies. They provide critical analysis, valuations, negotiation tactics, and strategies to navigate through these complex processes. Why is M&A advisory so important? Well, for starters, these advisors help to ensure that the deals are beneficial for both parties. They analyze financial statements, market trends, and do due diligence. Without their expertise, companies could make costly mistakes. In M&A advisory, you'll encounter terms like due diligence, valuation, synergy, and integration. These are important concepts that advisors deal with to help businesses merge or acquire effectively and profitably. I hope this video has shed light on the intriguing role of M&A advisory in the business world. Remember, it's not just about numbers. It's about making informed decisions that shape the future of companies. Until our next lesson, keep learning and stay curious.